First, the headlines. Flights from Imphal International Airport to Kolkata cancelled as Cyclone Remal to hit Bengal coast tonight. Indian Army avert major IED blast in Imphal East District, defused 3 IEDs near 𝗵𝗶𝗀 Dam. And 7 infants killed, several injured in massive fire at Delhi's Children's Hospital. Hello. Welcome to Northeast Window. This is Mary giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. In anticipation of Cyclone Remal's impending landfall and suspension of flight operations at Kolkata for 21 hours from 12 noon today to 9 p.m. tomorrow, flights to Kolkata from Imphal International Airport have been cancelled for the day, the Imphal International Airport authorities said today. The affected airlines are Indigo 77137947, 65146716, Indigo 79487155, Indigo 2756807, Air India A1734, Alliance Air 91731 and Air India Express 1599019902. The Kolkata Airport authorities decided to cancel the flights yesterday after the IMD said that a deep depression over the Bay of Bengal intensified in a cyclonic storm named Remal last evening and is likely to turn severe before making landfall between the coasts of West Bengal and Bangladesh this midnight. Cyclone Remal, which has developed in the Bay of Bengal, is expected to make landfall between Sagar Islands in West Bengal and 𝗵𝗵𝗃 in Bangladesh, the department said. North and South 24 Parganas, Purba Medinipur, Howrah, Hooghly districts in West Bengal have been placed under red alert as the storm gets closer Sunday. Extremely heavy rainfall over 204 mm in 24 hours with gusty winds over these districts. The Met Department has warned of heavy rain and gusty winds over North Odisha and Bengal till the early hours of Monday. In a significant achievement, alert and vigilant soldiers of the Indian Army averted a major incident by successfully defusing 3 improvised explosive devices in Imphal East District. A statement from PRO and spokesperson, the Ministry of Defence, Manipur, Nagaland and Southern Arunachal Pradesh said. It said the IEDs were discovered along Nongdam-Tangkhul-Itham-Tangkhul inter-village road near 𝗵𝗶𝗀 Dam. The army personnel noticed the 3 IEDs placed in tandem along the road during a routine area domination and surveillance operation. The army column acted swiftly and cordoned the area. Subsequently, the bomb disposal squad arrived at the location and defused the IEDs safely, thereby preventing potential loss of life and injury to locals, it said. The security forces remain steadfast and are committed to the safety of the citizens of Manipur, the statement added. At least 7 newborns died in a massive fire that broke out at a children's hospital in Delhi late last night, officials said. The owner of the hospital is currently on the run and is believed to have fled to Jaipur, according to sources within the Delhi police. The Delhi Fire Services said it received a call about a fire at 11:32 p.m. at a baby care center in the 𝗵𝗵𝗃 area in East Delhi, following which as many as 16 fire tenders were rushed to the site. The fire, which erupted around 11:32 p.m., quickly intensified due to the presence of numerous oxygen cylinders that began to explode, spreading the blaze further and causing extensive damage. Officials said that 12 newborn babies were rescued from the hospital with the help of other people. Deputy Commissioner of Police Surendra Chaudhary said in a statement, but adding that when they reached medical attention, 7 were dead. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the fire at the Children's Hospital was heart-rending. The causes of the incident are being investigated, and whosoever is responsible for this negligence will not be spared, he posted on X. In a separate incident, at least 3 people died after a fire broke out at a residential building in Delhi's Krishna Nagar early this morning. Delhi Fire Services Chief Atul Garg said that they received a call about the fire at 2:35 a.m. and that the fire was brought under control by 7:20 a.m. A total of 13 people were rescued, but 3 were declared dead, he said. Earlier yesterday, 77 people, including 9 children, died in a massive fire that broke out at a gaming zone in Gujarat's Rajkot. The bodies are completely charred and it is difficult to identify them, Assistant Commissioner of Police Vinayak Patel said. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed grief over the incident. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur has urged inquiry committee constituted to probe irregularities in the functioning to the Office of Board of Secondary Education Manipur to find out the irregularities and submit a detailed report to the government of Manipur to award a befitting punishment to the culprits. A press release issued by Secretary Education 𝗍𝗏 Oinam Romesh said 𝗍𝗏 apprised the state government of the administrative, financial, academic irregularities in the functioning of BOSEM through media. Subsequently, the state's government has formed a 3-member inquiry committee headed by the Education Commissioner as chairman to probe the wrongdoings in BOSEM. Such prompt initiative shows that the government is against the wrongdoings in education sector, he said. The government's proactive role in rectifying the misdeeds in education sector is appreciated, Romesh said, adding that the student body will support such initiative. However, it is a big question as to how far will the inquiry committee will be able to perform the task without any bias and punish culprits for their wrongdoing, he continued. He also asserted that if the education minister wanted to maintain the trust of the people, then the inquiry committee should probe the matter indiscriminately and made the report public. 𝗍𝗏 will never remain silent if a wrong report were made to cover up the truth, he warned, adding that the student body is fully prepared to launch intense protest. Senior teacher of Brahma Kumari, B.K. Surnayana, underlined the importance of spiritual empowerment, physical and mental well-being for an overall healthy lifestyle. She said this to media persons on the sidelines of the launch ceremony of the program, Spiritual Empowerment for a Clean and Healthy Society, organized by Brahma Kumaris, Manipur at Brahma Kumaris Hall located at Paidinga today. Vice President of 𝗨𝗡𝗀 Sanamahi Temple Board, Imphal, 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗋 Senjam Chairperson, Art and Culture Wing, Brahma Kumaris, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝐷𝐾 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Hind State President Abdul Halim 𝗵𝗃𝗪𝗪 Commanding Officer 2nd Manipur Rifles, Victoria Yenkhom, Brahma Kumaris, Manipur in charge, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝐵𝗏 Nilima were the main guests at the event. Speaking further, senior teacher 𝐵𝗂 underscored the importance of self-awareness in order to usher in a clean and healthy society, stating that only when one is self-aware, one can guide the younger generation to the right path. She emphasized the need for spiritual empowerment and physical well-being to build a healthy society. 𝐵𝗂 also highlighted the benefits of meditation to lead a stress-free life.
Healthy and clean society haibase mainly akoina society ama phajana semge hai tardi akoi isana aigi spirit su clean oibagi darkar tai aigi spirit su healthy oibagi darkar tai karigino haibada aina thawai ama sina aigi spirit sina healthy and happy oi tardi aigi naknaba society su loina happy oirakani aina wa taradi aina chinta todadi aina stress yar tardi aigi wangang sanga vyavahar lamchatda aigi society da lagi ba family de lari ba mipum kudi mutu so effect lai aduna kwaidigi important oiba wafam asise sida nainari se aina happy clean and healthy oi tardi aigi hachang su healthy oirakani aigi lebam chapam yung kai su clean oirakani aduga aigi society su clean oibagi khongthang su oina thangakani.
The first ever payment of property tax in Manipur was made by Takhelambam Chandan Singh for his property located in Chingmairong, Imphal West District yesterday. This marks the beginning of property tax collection under the Manipur Municipalities Property Tax Rules 2019. He paid 8,186.87 rupees against his properties to the Imphal Municipal Corporation. Speaking to media, IMC's Deputy Commissioner 𝗂𝗏𝗄 𝐶𝐸𝗏𝗓 said, property taxes are collected under the Manipur Municipalities Act 1994 and Manipur Municipalities Property Tax Rule 2019. The survey for collecting property tax has been completed, and owners who will pay the tax will be given a 17-digit unique number property identification number. This unique number will be displayed at the houses of the owners, 𝐶𝐸𝗏𝗓 said. He also emphasized the importance of property tax as an annual obligation for landowners payable to the government-mandated local body or municipal corporation. The collected funds will be crucial for the development and maintenance of civic amenities and infrastructure such as drainage systems and parks, he said. The government of Manipur's notification detailed the draft determination of property tax values for properties within the jurisdiction of the Imphal Municipal Corporation. The Deputy Commissioner also appreciated Takhelambam Chandan Singh for being the first to pay property tax in Manipur, setting a precedent for others.
It was formulated in 2019, but actually implementation is on the way, the process. It is different from other taxes now, in the way they know. It is based on the properties now of the owners. Because the owners who have less property will pay less, and the owners who have some big properties will pay a much more amount. It is based on the structure of the property also, like Pakka, Semi-Pakka, Kasa, and also the area the property is located. Because we have classified into 7 categories of areas in Imphal Municipal Corporation from A to G. Those properties located in class A will pay more than those properties located in class G or other. Through this tax, we can collect minimum amount of 16 crore per annum.
Please stay with us for a short commercial break.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180 plus courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
Welcome back. In a bid to alleviate the suffering caused by the hailstorms, Assam Rifles organized a relief distribution event at 𝗏𝗏𝗏, Imphal West District yesterday. The local families of 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Kunja, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Mantri Khom and Chajing, Imphal West approached Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles for the assistance and essential aid for the residents whose houses were impacted due to recent hailstorms. Subsequently, Assam Rifles organized the distribution drive to provide essential relief materials to the victims. During the event, tarpaulins, mattresses, pillows, ceiling fans and other basic necessities were distributed to the affected families. Approximately 60 families received assistance through this relief endeavor. The Assam Rifles also conducted free medical camps and distributed medicines to the affected families. Approximately 120 families got benefited by the event. The recipients expressed deep gratitude for the timely assistance which will provide them with much needed shelter and security during the challenging time, the Assam Rifles said. Alumni Brighter Academy 2001 batch organized a felicitation for their friend batchmate bodybuilder Nepram Roshan, who bagged 3 titles in the PRO or AM Asia Pacific Championships 2024 at Numaibung Community Hall today. The championships held on May 5 at Kreta Iyer People's Theatre, Singapore, was participated by bodybuilders from Singapore, Malaysia, India, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, China, Sri Lanka, Philippines, USA, to New Zealand and Australia. Manipur's Roshan, who represented India in the championship, bagged the title Bodybuilding Gold, Classic Physique Overall Bodybuilding First Runner-Up and Overall Classic Physique Second Runner-Up. The Alumni Bright Academy 2001 badge fitted him with a memento and wished him success in his future endeavors. Mizoram police seized 547 kilograms of heroin estimated to worth 1 crore 6 lakh rupees from a Myanmar national in Aizawl. Reports said the operation unfolded yesterday when Assistant Sub-Inspector Zothan Tluanga, silo of the District Special branch received a credible information about the potential sale of heroin in Selassie area of Aizawl. Acting swiftly, the intelligence branch inspector authorized ASI Silo under Section 41(2) of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act to take necessary actions including search, seizure and arrest. Accompanied by 2 independent witnesses from Selassie, ASI Silo and his team intercepted a black scooter near NEC Junction in Selassie. The scooter was carrying 2 large white nylon bags and the rider identified himself as C.T. Liana, 25, from Matung, Tahan, Myanmar. Upon inspection, the bags were found to contain 311 soap cases, each containing a reddish-brown powder suspected to be heroin. The police immediately seized the suspected drugs and the scooter, and as the Myanmar national lacked valid entry documents into India and was subsequently arrested. Following standard procedures, the team transported the accused, seized items and evidence to the Bongkon police station, where a case was registered under relevant sections of the ND&PS Act and the Foreigners Act. The alleged perpetrator, C.T. Liana, will be held in custody for 72 hours for further interrogation as the investigation into the drug seizure and illegal entry continues, the reports said. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Flights from Imphal International Airport to Kolkata cancelled as Cyclone Remal to hit Bengal coast tonight. Indian Army averted major IED blast in Imphal East District, defused 3 IEDs near 𝗵𝘳𝘀 Dam. And 7 infants killed, several injured in massive fire at Delhi's Children's Hospital. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.